Now the last rule for nomenclature, and after that we'll be starting up with the examples. Now the last rule is that in case different types of substituents are there, means if you have more than one type of substituent, then how to arrange this. Now for example, here you can see this, in this particular organic compound we have bromine and chlorine. We have two substituents and they are the functional group. Now how to name them? Should we name chloro first or bromo? These are halogens, so we suffix their name with O. So it's not bromine, it's bromo, and it's not chlorine, it is chloro. So the rule is we have to name them and arrange them alphabetically. So this is the rule, that if substituents are more than one, then we have to name them alphabetically. So we can see that B comes first, so that is why we are putting bromo first, and C comes later in the this alphabet, so C is put later on. And hexane, why? Because we have 6 carbon in our chain, that is hexane is our parent, and in this parent at room number 2 we have a guest bromo, and in room number 4 we have a guest chloro. So bromo is put first because the alphabet B comes first and C comes later. So this is the rule that we have used here, that they have to be named or they have to be arranged alphabetically. Now let us look at these few examples. Now this is very simple. Can you in this example, can you see any functional group? I cannot see. It is simply a hydrocarbon. So what's the rule? Rule is, first of all you find the root word. Root word means name of the parent. Now how do we find the root word? Now we have to find the root word by following rule number 1, that is we have to include maximum carbons in a chain. If we go straight, then 3 carbons are there in our chain, and this carbon CH3 is out of a chain. So now 3 carbons are coming in a chain, so this root word is prop. Now you can see it's all alkane, all bonds are single. So what is the suffix? Ane. So it is propane. So we get the name of the parent. Now this CH3 did not come in our main chain, so that is why the prefix 2-methyl, because it is present at carbon number 2 and CH3 is called as methyl. So what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane. So first rule, select the parent, that is the, and how do you select the parent? By selecting the longest possible chain. Clear? And after that you see which all carbons did not come in your main chain and they become as substituents, and try to give them a location by following the lowest possible rule. So this example, I hope it's clear to you. Now let me go to our next example, that is example number 2. Now again you can see there is no functional group, it's a hydrocarbon. So do not see the answer first. Let us first see how many carbons maximum we can put in chain. So if you go like this 1, 2, 3, 4, or if you go like this 1, 2, 3, 4, you know your answer does not make a difference, because 4 carbons are coming in a chain and the 2 carbons, this CH3 and this CH3, they are not coming in your chain. So whether you do numbering from this way or you do numbering in this manner, it doesn't make a difference. These two will get number 2 and 3. So these are the 2 methyls which are not coming in your chain, and the location of this methyl is at number 2 and at number 3. So first root word. So how many carbons did we make it in a chain? So we got 4. So the root word is bute. 4 means bute, and it's an alkane. You can see no double bond and triple bond. So it's an alkane. And at number 2 and number 3 we have methyls. Now you will have to give the position of this methyl. So 2, 3. I told you numbers have to be told separately. I told you this in a rule. Numbers have to be told separately. You can't write. So you see, these are actually your guests. Now, where are you putting up these guests? In which room? Are they sharing the room? If they share the room, then you write 2 dash 2, 2 comma 2. But they are not sharing the rooms here. They are in individual rooms here. So they you write 2 comma 3. Yes, both the guests are of same type. Both the guests are of same type. So that here you can combine them and write it as a dimethyl. So the answer is 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane. This is the answer for this example. Now let me clear this. Now by that time, see the next example. Now it's again a hydrocarbon and longest chain 5, and this CH3 did not come in a main chain and it is at number 3. So the answer is 5 carbons, it means pentane. We know the parent, it's pentane. And at number 3, if you number from here, number 3, and if you number from here, then also number 3. So both ways are correct. So it is 3 and the name of the guest, that is substituent, is methyl. So the answer is 3-methyl pentane. Between a numerical value and an alphabet, you have to put a dash. So I hope you have understood these examples. We will be continuing with more examples in our coming up videos. Thank you.